There's not a particular incident that has triggered this, but it was a conversation I had with actually Bill Weisenberg from the Ohio State Bar Association, and I mentioned early on in my term that I was interested in addressing some of the current concerns that the ABA report on the death penalty here in Ohio raised, and it was time that we did something about it. Simultaneously, the Ohio Bar Association was thinking about doing something, so we thought, well, let's use this opportunity to collaborate, and let's look at the death penalty as it is in Ohio. And I want to make abundantly clear that this is not an effort to make that policy determination on whether we should have the death penalty or not have the death penalty. We have the death penalty in Ohio by statute, so our thought and our effort will go towards making sure that the process, the application, the procedures for the charging, the implementation, and a lot of the judicial role in the death penalty is re-examined and changed if necessary, and updated. You know, a lot has happened since the death penalty was instituted. We now have life without parole, and I believe that that is really an important game changer, so to speak, when we talk about punishments that are available for society to mete out to those that commit murder. And you know, it's time that we just take a look at this. The task force will be charged with the responsibility of examining top to bottom, inside out, the procedures that we have in place now, the statutory procedures we have in place now with regards to the death penalty. Taking a look at how that has been implemented, especially in light of the statute that allows for life without parole and as an alternative to the death penalty. I want them also, we've talked about having them look at the cost associated with death penalty cases, you know, the prosecution of death penalty cases, the aftermath costs that through the appellate system. We're going to look at how other states implement their death penalty statutes and compare what Ohio does with other states. Not that that would be definitive, but it's certainly helpful that we look at other states. I want to do a thorough review of the ABA report and identify some of their issues that they brought to light that pertain to the judicial system when it comes to the death penalty. There are statutory you know, concerns that are raised and other concerns that are raised in that report that really the court has no authority over. But those that the court have authority over, I want to take a look at and gauge whether there's really anything we can do. I would like to see it done in under a year. I believe that that's reasonable, even maybe shorter than that, but I'll have to confer with the chair and, you know, talk with other people that are interested just for a reasonable time period.